the kinetic BootieButler. Simply the easier method of applying shoe covers. The added frustration and struggle of putting on a bootie is gone. It's as easy as wiping your feet. Step in, pull back, and walk away with your shoe cover on. A no-hassle, fluid, continuous process to get people where they are going faster. When you are putting the bootie on, valuable time could be wasted. Research indicates that it takes about 35 seconds to put on a pair of shoe covers manually. Donning a pair of shoe covers takes only 5 seconds with the BootieButler. This is a very appealing attribute, especially for high-volume applications that have a large number of users. Productivity is increased by reducing the amount of time it takes to apply the traditional shoe cover. No more leaning, stooping, bending, and balancing while putting on the shoe cover. The BootieButler system keeps employees safer by reducing the risks of slips and falls. It also comes equipped with a safety handle to provide additional stability during application. BootieButler Automatic Shoe Cover Systems.